Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we're out in the shop today and we are working on this 2003 Yamaha RX-1. And this is the Mountain Edition with the long track. It's also the limited edition one for the year that was silver in 2003. So today we are going to be taking a look at the suspension lubrication on this RX-1. So starting up here at the front, you've got two Zerks on the back right above the skis. So one on each side, right and left. Then on the back of the sled on these transfer rods, you have one on the right, one on the left, right here. Then underneath, see if we can get the angle right. You can see right there is one. Right there is another one. Then another under this cross member where the large idler wheels are. Then at the front of the spring, right up under here, on the back side right there is another. And lastly, right under this front spring on the top is the last Zerk. So this machine has 9 Zerks altogether. So to go ahead and lubricate these, you'll want some sort of a grease gun. We have this one with the lock and lube grease fitting on the front of it. Works really well. You just clamp it right on there. I'll link to this in the description so you can see one of them there. But we've got the grease gun with the Yamaha grease in it right now. There's also AMSOIL or other products like that that'll do the same thing. But you can pick up the Yamaha grease for snowmobile suspension from your dealer as well. So all you got to do is just give it a couple of pumps here and you'll see the grease start to squeeze out there. And that's all there is to it. Just wipe up the mess around the Zerk here when you remove the fitting and you're all done. So I hope everybody enjoyed the quick video. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.